Day 77 of 100. Let's make it happen. Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Nature, for another beautiful day. I am forever grateful. Amen. None of this is easy, but as we stay consistent and have faith, we know it is possible. Thank you, Yahweh, for working with us every day. Thank you for keeping us positive for what's to come, no matter what we've been through. I'm grateful for the guidance, the understanding, the messages from God. None of this is possible without you. We are on God's time. Stay aligned with your purpose and effortlessly attract what you desire. Don't go with the flow. Be the flow. Don't rush the process. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.